He came from all the way from Mexico, where he was being fostered, and he came to meet me, and he jumped out of the car, and I just opened my arms and he ran to me, and it was love at first sight. I just was like, that is my baby right there, and he's been the love of my life ever since. And Kevin from the OCSPCA got a hold of me and told me that they were going to pledge some money for me to go to the vet to try to get some help. I have the OCSPCA to thank for saving my dog's life, and for people who are watching this that volunteer or donate to the OCSPCA, it's not just bags of dog food. Sometimes it comes down to life or death. In this situation, you saved my dog's life. Thank you so much.